All right, I'm going to show you how to use Stellarium Web to record planetary motion. First thing you want to do is on the left-hand side menu, which you can toggle with the 3 lines icon, hamburger icon. Click View Settings, then click Ecliptic Line. This shows the path of the sun and the planets, which is the ecliptic. And then you're going to want to search for the planet that you're going to be tracking data for. I'm going to search for Mercury. And then we're going to want to be viewing this planet at a consistent time. That way we can compare each day or each 15 days, in our case, where the planet is compared to where it was before. So to change the time, click on the bottom right, hit the pause button, and then you're going to want to be in 2023. Unless you do Mars, then you're going to want to do 2022. But all the other planets have good data for 2023. And then you're going to want to make sure that you're at a consistent time. I'd recommend just picking midnight, which is all zeros. Once you have the time settings locked in, you can start gathering data, which can be found in this panel right here. The interesting stuff for us is going to be the azimuth and altitude data. And we're only going to take what's next to the degree symbol. The other numbers are, you can think of them like decimals, but it's measured in minutes and seconds when they do details on latitudes and longitudes, degree measurements. So anyway, in this case, the azimuth of Mercury is 337, and the altitude is -71. So in my sheet, I would record that 337, -71, and then I keep going through all the other dates. One quick way you can do that is do all of the dates at the beginning of the month first, and then go through, change this day to be 15, and then do all the dates midway through the month afterwards. That way you don't have to click so darn much. You'll also need to get data for the sun for reference, so that you understand where Mercury is in relation to the sun. That will help us determine its prograde or retrograde motion. And yeah, so to get the sun, you just search for the sun, and then you can do the same thing. You can gather the azimuth and altitude data and put it in your table. Okay, once you're done putting in all the data and checking out your graph, go to the questions, and the questions will guide you through how to analyze the data and draw some conclusions. So there you go. There's the lesson for today.